Hello there everyone, I am Corporate Naps and welcome back to my channel. Here today with a quick hair tutorial. You are going to need bobby pins, a hair tie, depending on the length of your hair, and a net. The bobby pins, I personally like these big sort of thick bobby pins. These are not the tiny bobby pins that we typically use when we have relaxed hair, but the thicker bobby pins. And the hairnet, I say get whatever color matches your hair best. They have these at the beauty supply store for minimal price, and you can see mine is a bit worn. I have holes and everything in it, but get them the color of your hair. They come sometimes 3 to a pack, 5 to a pack for very cheap. And I actually have black, but if you have brown or reddish hair, there is a brown color that would match a bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. This is going to be a side bun tutorial. All I am doing is taking all of my hair and putting it to the side the way that I would if I were doing a side ponytail. And that's one of my locks that's sprouting. I think I showed you guys in another video in my imperfect locks video. This is a new lock that is getting going, so I just tucked that in. But I'm putting it all to the side as if I am doing a side ponytail. I'm not gonna do anything over here or at the top of my hair. I could, if I wanted to, use one of my longer locks to wrap my hair up, right? Like that, to put it into a ponytail. I'm just gonna use my ponytail holder so that everyone will know, regardless of the length of your hair, how to do this. Now, I start with a ponytail, and I'm doing a side ponytail here, or a side bun, but I'm starting with a ponytail. And as I'm doing this, I'm just gonna leave that last hook. I'm just gonna put as many of my locks in there. It doesn't matter if they're falling right now. I will tell you this works best when your hair is curled, because your locks will kind of curl and twirl onto one another. I'm going to take my net. Don't worry about these two ends that are a part of the net. I'm gonna take my net, and I am simply going to push all of my locks, if I can get it out of my earrings here, all of my locks into the net. And as always, whenever you're doing something you're not in front of your bathroom mirror, it's always a little more complicated. So I basically have them all in the net. And there are times where I have to use 2 nets, and I'm okay with that. I'll put one on top of the other, but I'm not doing that today. I just want to give you guys a general idea. So I mentioned that this particular net had holes in it, and that's okay too. So the ending of this net, I basically have it behind over here. And I'm gonna take my big bobby pins and ensure that I secure the area of the net that I want to keep together, that makes sure that my locks don't fall. And so this is where, if I had my second net, I would just put it on top of these and on top of this one so that I don't have to tuck. But for the sake of today, I'm just going to do that. And that is my side bun. Sometimes I will get this side bun and put it up higher. Sometimes I will have it very low, like just below my neck here, or just below my earrings. But this gives you a sleek side bun. I didn't do anything to my edges. I didn't do anything beyond what you saw. You can put a headband on with this. You can put a flower over here during the summer or springtime, or if you want to put a flower over here by the bun. You can even put like a hair scarf and have the hair scarf coming from this side, or just having it all going back. You can do a lot of things with a bun. This is the look. Very simple, very easy, and you can easily dress a side bun up or down. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of content, be sure to thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. If you want a closer look at my locks, be sure to join me on my Corporate Naps Instagram page. And I have just recently created a TikTok page under the same name, Corporate Naps. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that you guys are staying safe and take care.